So about 2 weeks ago, I took a day trip with some friends out to the old abandoned Acme Coke Factory on the south side of Chicago. I have been there once before and gotten lots of great photos, but this time I was able to actually take some video footage of the area. When I took the Land Rover out, it was the first time that I had 2 extra people inside of the Range Rover. One thing that came up is that every single time there was a bump or a pothole, there was a bunch of clanking and banging going around inside the car. So I was very self-conscious having 2 additional people inside the car, listening to the atrocious things that the Land Rover was producing. One of the big issues was the rear shocks on both the driver's side and the passenger side, where the bottom side was fine where it connects to the axle, but the top side where it connected to the chassis, there was no bushings on them. So I ended up removing them, and instead of just replacing the bushings in them, I just decided since I've got them off, I might as well just get some new ones. So I'm sitting here editing the rest of the video and realized that I didn't record any of the drive afterwards. The ride was great, no more clanking or banging. I drove it for about an hour, but I came out the next morning and it wouldn't start. So...
You and I can, we take a spin.